Hello YouTube. Today I want to discuss a common problem on older cars. Keys not working properly. This car came with two keys. One turns but takes a few attempts to unlock the trunk. The other does not turn at all. Before you hire a locksmith or change out the cylinder, try some powdered graphite lubricant first. This was less than $5 on Amazon. I found the best way to do this is pop the trunk open and stick a toothpick into the keyhole. This allows you to spray the powder easier. Don't put too much like I did. Less is more. Spray some powder on both sides of the keys too. Since my car is a beater, I just did this on the trunk liner. This powder smears and stains, so if that matters to you, do this somewhere else. If you put too much powder, the key won't even go in. All I did was open and slam the trunk several times to distribute the powder evenly. Starting with one key, wiggle it left and right until it turns. If it does not turn, add more powder and try again. Eventually it should turn and unlock the trunk. Be patient. Graphite powder fixed the issue. Both keys now open the trunk in one turn. Simply beautiful. If this still doesn't work, tough luck. You'll have to get a specialist to look at it. Once again, it's worth a gamble for $5. If this helped you today, please give a thumbs up as it really helps the channel. This video is part of my beater car series, so if you're interested in maintaining your own cars, make sure to subscribe as well. Have a great day and see you all next time.